Hey everybody, welcome back. Day number 3 of highlighter layering. Yeah, layering highlights. Welcome back. Day number 3, hump day. Woo! Let's get into this. All right, so today I'm going to be doing, another demo. One side with just the shimmer stick and the other side with the shimmer stick with a Killawatt highlight on top of it. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, Monday I did Trippin' with Me Money and Hustler Baby. Tuesday I did Unicorn with Scandalize from the Fenty Holiday Highlighting Palette. For Hump Day, I'm going to be doing Yacht Life with WATTABRAT. So, Yacht Life by itself. Ooh, yeah. Now we're talking. It's definitely more of a peach. It's like a peach papaya, peach golden papaya, something like that. As always, blend it out. And I always like to highlight this whole area because I have a lot of domage, a lot of real estate to take care of. So that is why I highlight this whole area. Plus it tends to look a little bit more natural in my personal opinion when it's blended out like this. Alright, there we go. So by itself, with nothing. Yacht Life, Broke Life. Alright. And of course this just adds to the Broke Life. Putting down the base of Yacht Life, or the layering. Perfect. This will actually be really good for summer coming up, obviously. There we go. And I think Friday I am actually going to end with Trophy Life. I am one of those skin tones that can actually get away with it. Perfect. So, got the base down. Cream to powder. There we go. And this is what it looks like face on. You can see hints of the pink. Oh, no, colorblind. Now, without further ado, WATTABRAT, which I am not. Alright, perfect. Just put it on. Ooh, this is gonna get glitter all over the place. Ooh, look at that. That looks just so damn wet. Just quench my own thirst. Oh. There we go. Ooh. Yep, love it. Glitter everywhere. There's already glitter every freaking where. With the, I think it has silver reflectors in it. Oh gosh, look at that. Jeez. Alright, Yacht Life. Boss Life. Oh, see that wetness? Oh, it just got moist. Dang. There we go. By itself, layered. Another one down the pipe. Wednesday, Trippin', Unicorn, Yacht Life with WATTABRAT today. Layer, play around with it. It's fun. It's highlight to the gods. So yeah, there's another one for you. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow, but I'm gonna do something. All right, see you guys later.